works. So right now, we want to empower each of you with these, if you will, talking points and statements, which we'll do later today. Secondarily, let you know that we are planning several other steps. First, one is probably going to be a communication that's going to go to the business leadership of America, making it clear that this does not affect their commitment to corporate DE&I, and that they should continue with those programs. Thirdly, we are going to monitor, perhaps weigh in with the Department of Education and Justice as they develop a guidance document for colleges about what they can and cannot do in light of the decision when it comes to pursuing a diverse campus or diverse classrooms. So we're going to be doing that. Number three, obviously this issue will be part of the discussion at our annual conference because it is a paramount, if you will, civil rights decision. Thirdly, we have to make sure that our communities have context about this decision, meaning this is enabled by the 3 justices that were appointed by President Trump, and this all has to do with the 2016 election. And finally, we work with the White House. The president made a strong statement today. We're encouraging him to continue to use his bully pulpit in this regard. He threw out some ideas about an adversity test. It's too early, I think. Right now we need a few days and we need our experts to weigh in as to what the sort of alternative admissions methods are going to be. I know we're all interested in that, but I don't want to shoot from the hip on what should and should not do. I think this is going to have to be carefully crafted. So we remain, Washington Bureau, I do remain available to you if questions arise, if there's a need to explain this decision further to more people, but we stand strongly in support of affirmative action. No one has come up with a better method to increase educational opportunities for communities of color. If they could, they would have. But now we will have to look at other ways of achieving this very important, and then these admissions criteria that were used by these 2 universities, which were common and widespread by many like-minded universities. So with that, let me just see quickly, because we know it is late, it's about 6:20, and we wanted to bring you up to date if there's any pressing questions that any of you all may wish to ask.